This PHP code creates an edit form for student data with the following functionality. Data retrieval gets the name student ID from URL parameter queries database to fetch existing students exists if student not found. Update process. When form is submitted via post, it collects all form fields name, program study, gender, and address. Uses MySQL real escape string to sanitize inputs. Executes update query to modify the student record. Showcase alert and redirects to display page template PHP on success. From Form interface Bootstrap 5 styling with gradient background. Pre-files form fields with existing student data using HTML special hairs for security. Includes files name, full name, study program, gender, drop-down, and address text area. Uses font awesome icons for visual enhancement. Security note. MySQL real escape string for basic SQL injection prevention. The prepare statement will be more secure. This PHP creates an input form for student data with the following features. Purpose: display a form to add a new student record to the database. Includes a database connection via koneksi PHP. From files, name student ID text input with fetch order example, nama lengkap, full name text input, program studi program text input with example placeholder, jenis kelamin, gender, drop down, select with male atau strict female option, alamat, address, text area for multiple lines. From action submits data via post method to process input PHP for processing. All files are marked as required for client-side validation. Design features, Bootstrap 5 frameworks, responsive layout, purple, gradient background, and card design font, awesome icons for visual enchantment. This PHP handles the deletion of student records with the following functionality. Purpose: deletes a student record from the database based on name student ID. Process flow includes database connection file koneksi PHP, gets name from UR parameter, get name sanitize input using MySQL real backup string to prevent SQL. Executes delete query to remove the student record matching the name. This PHP code display a confirmation pack after successfully saving the student data with the following features. Purpose: show the newly installed student record as confirmation pack as a success feedback after data insertion. Here, data retrieval gets name form URL parameter Egi Fasil PHP NIM 2024-31077. Sanitize input using queries database to fetch the complete student record exists with error message if data not found. This HTML code creates landing home page for a student information system with the following features: preferred servers, domain entry, a dashboard for the student management application, provides navigation to key features. Design elements: full screen centered layout with purple gradient background, and glass more prism effect of the card semi-transparent with backdrop blur, rounded corners and shadow effect for modern aesthetic, hover animation on buttons live effect with shadow. This PHP code establishes a database connection with the following details. Prepare creates a connection to MySQL database using MySQL extension. Connection parameters: host, localhost, database server location, username, root MySQL user, password, empty password typical for local development, database mahasiswa, database name. This PHP code processes the student data insertion with the following functionality. Purpose handle from PHP. Include name, student ID, nama full name, prodi studi program from program studi file, JK gender, jenis kelamin file, alamat, address. We'll insert query added to ada data mahasiswa table with kolom name, nama program studi, jenis kelamin, alamat. This PHP code display all student records in a table with full CRUD functionally. Purpose: main data display page showing all students from the database, provides access to create, update, and delete operation. Data retrieval queries all records from data mahasiswa table, orders by name in descending orders, no first fits. Display features: header section, tambah data baru, button linking from PHP. Data table: if a record exists, columns no name, nama program studi, jenis kelamin, alamat, aksi, auto numbering, uses no counter, security uses HTML special hard to even X attacks. Thank you.